Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Before we dive into the tutorial, it's important to understand the basics of least squares regression and the concept of weighted least squares. Least squares regression is a method for finding the best fitting linear regression line through a set of data points. In the weighted least squares approach, each data point is assigned a weight, which reflects the confidence or reliability of that particular observation. This is especially useful when dealing with heteroscedastic data, where the variance of the errors is not constant across all observations. In Python, you can use the numpy library for mathematical operations and the scipy.stats module for implementing the weighted least squares regression. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to perform weighted least squares regression in Python. Let's create some sample data to work with. For this example, we'll create a simple linear relationship with added noise. In this step, we'll perform the weighted least squares regression using the linregress function from scipy.stats. We'll assign weights to each data point based on some criteria. For simplicity, let's use the reciprocal of the absolute values of the residuals as weights. Now, let's visualize the original data, the true regression line, and the regression line obtained through weighted least squares. This tutorial provides a basic example of performing weighted least squares regression in Python. Keep in mind that the choice of weights may vary depending on the characteristics of your data, and you may need to adjust the weighting strategy based on the specific requirements of your analysis. ChatGPT.